Yara and Freddie, a part-time travel couple out of Florida, traveling the globe to luxe getaways and bucket list destinations.
We're excited to share our experience with you in the hopes we can help you plan your next vacation.
Join us as we embrace the world one adventure at a time. There are some rooms that have balconies. And from this side, some game areas. And it looks like a pickleball court. And they even have a food truck court. Or a food truck. But these are the views. All right, folks, we are headed into our Norwegian Viva registration. I'm about to head. We are checking in as we speak. Hey, everybody, we're about to get on board the Norwegian Viva. So let's do this. Follow us.
Follow us in.
This is a lot different entrance than when you're in the States. You know, you're in air conditioning and just going through a tunnel. We're outside walking to get on board here in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Hi, let's have some fun.
So excited to get on. All right, what do we do here? Okay, all on board. Guests by 6:30. All right, folks, we are going into the Indulge food hall. There is a hand washing station over that way. And you can sit at any of these places. Oh my goodness, look how crowded it is in here. So we're gonna find ourselves a table. Very, very busy in here. So we are going to have a time trying to find ourselves a little table.
Hello, everybody. So here we are on Norwegian Viva. We just found our seats. We're sitting down. We're going to have lunch. It's been great so far. The views and the setup of this ship is quite awesome. I'll let Yara go ahead, and she'll go probably more detailed than I do with talking about the food, the amenities, and everything else that we got, and the things that we learn as we go along the way with this new type of cruising.
Hey everybody, so we are at Norwegian Viva's Indulge food hall. We just ordered our food. You have to order it. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to move it over. On these little kiosks. So you order your food on here, and instead of having a buffet like most ships, Norwegian on their new ships have gone to having an Indulge food hall. So there are multiple options available for lunch. We have Texas Roadhouse, we have Indian, we have a salad bar, we have noodles, we have several different options. So lots to choose from. But one big thing you should know is when you are ordering on the little tablet, that if you don't have a drink package, we do happen to have an unlimited drink package, but if you don't, it will show a cost for your beverage, and you can either charge it to a card or to your room account. So those are things you should know, but stay tuned for more. So here we have the pulled pork sandwich, Lone Star chili with some chips, and the turkey sandwich with potato salad. And I got the tequila Funshine drink. And Freddie, what did you get?
I got the special of the day. It's a banana special. That's what I can tell you. I don't know the name of it, but it's strong.
All right, let's see how good this food is. I'm gonna give this pulled pork sandwich a taste. Let's see. All right, that's good. The portions are small. They don't give you a lot, but you can try a lot of things. I would encourage you when you're at the Indulge food hall to try a few things on the menu.
Welcome everybody. Welcome to our tour of our room for the Norwegian Viva. Here we have the digital thermostat. We also have the spot here where you put the card in so that everything in the room works. Come on in. Over here we have the first set of our space here for the closet. Lots of room. Here's another right here. Plenty of room. This would be, I guess, with the men's side. Shorter. And then here on the other side, we have where the dresses stuff for women would go at with the safe. Awesome. They have a lot of room in here. I like the way it's set up. And here, we're going to go into the restroom. Here, look at the facilities here. It's very nice, very roomy, bigger than most that you get to. We have a nice shower. Look how the door opens up. And then take a look. We have a nice rain shower on top with all the other little side showers that you have too, with all the little dispensaries for the shower itself. And then down below, you have storage space. Look at that, check that out. They've managed to find a way to maximize the use for these little spots right here inside the restroom. Awesome. Come on in and take a look at this. So right here we have a nice sitting area right here, a desk. Also for women do their makeup on. And take a look at this. Look at the plugs. They made it so modern and convenient for you. You can't beat that. Little small shelves up there, and the phone is over here away from the bed. I prefer this. It's nice with all the room service amenities here for the book that you have. Over here, walk into the room, look at all the room we have. Lots of room. We have a nice sitting area here with a couch. Take a look at that. I love the design behind the bed with the light. Most time I don't get this up, but in here, I have lots of room, even for me in here when I walk through. Then take a look at the bed. Nice king size bed. It's nice. I checked it out a little bit. It's a little firm, but it's great. Now, over here, take a look at our balcony. Wow, beautiful, good view. It's nice, it's clean, it's roomy, perfect. Thank you, everybody. We're gonna have some fun on this trip.
are in the casino. It's closed right now. The cashier. I'm just going to give another little pan out of the casino, which again is closed because we are not in international waters just yet. We are going to go to the Belvedere bar. Get this. Belvedere bar. Restrooms. It's very gorgeous. I can see having a great time here. So yes, this is the area to have a great bar time.
Well, check this out, everybody. We just came outside on the deck. We're on deck number 8, and check this out. This is the glass floor you can see through as you walk through. It's gonna be awesome when we're out on the water. So we'll come back through here again a little later when we are out to sea. But then we come up here and look at this area that we're about to walk into. It is awesome. There's Yara. Say hi, Yara. Look at the seating area and how it's set up out here. It is really nice. Got plenty of seating. Wow. Take a look at this one more time down the hallway here, how it looks and how it's set up. Never seen it like this any other place. It's pretty doggone awesome. And then across from us, that's before we leave the port, there's a little small mini air base. I was here many years ago. See the helicopters out there? And down on this end, I stayed in one of those hangar bays. And I stayed here for a couple of weeks in this thing. Wow. Those memories, I tell you. And to come back here almost 36 years later and see what it is today. Going out now.
Just giving you a viewpoint of the main dining room for Hudson's. It's quite beautiful. Look at the decor. Obviously, we're not seated at this fancy section. We're seated over by the window. Here we are, a nice candlelit table. And we are at Hudson's. Our bread table has just been delivered, so we're gonna have our little simple drinks here, and we will let you know how the food is later. So we're gonna see how this cauliflower soup tastes. Going in. Oh, that's good. That's really rich and flavorful. Got a little nuttiness. They put some almonds on the top and some chives. Yeah, I think that's absolutely delicious. What do you think, Mr. Freddie?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a 10. It is really good. Whoever did this knew what they were doing.
Oh yeah.
Perfect sheen, and the taste is spot on.
Chicken piccata. Looks good. Freddie has a
16-ounce New York ribeye is what I got this time.
16-ounce New York ribeye.
With mushroom gravy.
Looks good. Let's give it a try.
Oh yeah, that's good. It's seasoned very well. Nice and tender. And that gravy is really nice that goes with it. I don't need anything else to put on it. You know, sometimes you need the steak sauce. You don't need that.
Now we're gonna try the chicken piccata. Got a lemon butter sauce, so let's see. Very fresh. I can taste some of those capers. So a slight little brine to it, but really good. Comes with a pasta and a white sauce, like a fettuccine Alfredo sort of sauce. That's good. Yeah, might need a little bit of salt. But yeah, overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. And the final stop of the night is the molten chocolate lava cake. And there goes the lava coming out. And there you have it, embarkation day on our first cruise with Norwegian, the Norwegian Viva. We made it an early night because we have an early start tomorrow in La Romana, Dominican Republic. Be sure to watch next week's episode. Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming videos.